Chef Ananya Banerjee, and today I'm going to do something very special for you. I'm going to do a white and a dark chocolate cup with strawberries, my favorite. Stay tuned and watch the recipe. So I have some milk chocolate and I have some dark chocolate. The dark chocolate is this one. Bang it up. Basically have to melt this. Also this one. Okay. So my chocolate is all broken up. This one is 90% dark, mind you. So I'm adding some milk to it to give a balance. So this I'm going to melt in a pan. The milk goes first. Then the dark. You can make only with dark chocolate if you like, but this one being 90% dark, I am adding some milk to it. Okay, so how do you melt your chocolate? You need to have some cream. Let the chocolate melt in the cream. To keep stirring it in very low heat. You could also heat up the cream very well and then add the chocolate. But I'm careful. I'm just stirring it all the time so that the chocolate doesn't burn. I don't want to overheat this chocolate. It's done. The chocolate will keep melting. So this chocolate looks absolutely done. I'm just keeping it in one side. And I need to melt some more white chocolate because I want to decorate it on top with white chocolate. So some more cream goes into the pan. I'm going to heat up this cream. Once the cream is heated up, I'll add some white chocolate to it. This is just for garnishing my chocolate puddle and cup. Medium heat. This white chocolate I'm going to add in the cream. The cream is nice and hot. I'll add the white chocolate in this. I can dive into this pool of chocolate. Now this chocolate is absolutely ready to be poured on the top. I'll close the gas and keep it in one side. Now plating. Strawberries. Look at the beautiful strawberries I've got. So I'm going to garnish these in the cups first. I'm going to take out the green leaves. They look so pretty. Often I forget to take them out. So these two cups are ready. I'll pour in the first chocolate mixture first. Look at that. So decadent. Filled one, the second one now goes. Aren't they cute? Okay, now I'll just decorate with some more strawberries. And my decadent white chocolate, dark chocolate cup is ready for you. This is just for you, the white and dark chocolate cups with strawberries, my favorite. If you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.